Approximately 30 minutes from southern Tokyo lies Yokohama. Yokohama is a famous and thrilling city full of a plethora of attractions. This vibrant city, which has a population of approximately 3.7 million people, has certainly grown in leaps and bounds over the years. The city was historically a small fishing village. Today, the city has turned into the second largest city in Japan. Welcome back to my channel. I am Zach, and I'm going to show you 7 places to go in Yokohama. I don't know if you've ever heard of Yokohama, but it is the second largest city here in Japan. It is huge. There's a lot to do, and so I have made a video that basically compiles 7 things to do in this wonderful city. So let's begin. The first thing you can do in Yokohama is to tour the Cup of Noodles Museum. When you enter through the front doors of the museum, you'll be asked to pay an entrance fee of 500 yen or $4.66. When you enter into the noodle factory, there are procedures that you'll need to follow. First, you'll purchase a cup from a vending machine. The cup costs about 300 yen or $2.79. Following that, you will sanitize your hands. A staff member will then escort you to a table where you will see a variety of colorful markers. The markers are utilized to draw on the cup. Once you have designed the cup, then you will proceed to the noodle factory where you will select 4 of the ingredients. The ingredients could include corn, fish, sausage, egg, green onions, crab, and so forth. The final step of the process involves placing the sealed cup of ramen noodles in a protected bubble bag. There are directions on pink platforms in front of you. The second thing you can do in Yokohama is to explore the Cosmo world at night. The Cosmo World Park is keenly recognized by its large Ferris wheel, which is beautifully lit at night. This is one of the most popular rides in the park. This is the world's largest Ferris wheel with a clock. This 112.5 meter or 369 feet giant clock-faced Ferris wheel, attached with 60 passenger cars, allows you to capture the spectacular and mesmerizing panoramic views of Yokohama, especially the sparkling bay area. The ride takes about 15 minutes and it can cost around 800 yen or $7.50. Inside the ride, there is an interactive touchscreen that has English settings. The second prominent ride is the diving coaster, Vanish. This exciting roller coaster dives straight into the water and vanishes, hence the name of the coaster. This is a very thrilling ride. The third thing you can do in Yokohama is go ice skating. This famous open-air ice skating rink is located next to the Red Brick Warehouse Event Plaza. Every year, the rink is designed by an artist who portrays different themes. The artist utilizes the rink as a canvas for the year. For example, the theme in 2019 for this art rink was the Sweet Ice Rink. With the combination of ice skating and art, tourists can have a wonderful and exhilarating experience. The rink is constantly crowded, especially during the winter time, in which you can find Christmas decorations. At the art rink, there are a variety of sizes and skates. The price of skate rentals is 500 yen, which is very reasonable. If this is the first time skating, you're not alone. In fact, there are a lot of novice skaters at the rink. It's very common to observe clumsy families falling down. Nevertheless, ice skating is a great way to relax from the pressures of life. The fourth thing to do in Yokohama is tour the Marine Walk, which is located several minutes from the Red Brick Warehouse. This open-air mall is perfect for relaxation as the place presents such a serene ambience on the sparkling bayfront. You can peruse a number of unique shops and eat at trendy food shops, including the delicious pie shop. I love the Trio Pie Shop. Around Christmas time, you can find numerous bushes surrounding the marine walk, illuminated by a string of beautiful bright lights. This time of the year, and frankly any time of the year, is the best time for night photography. Furthermore, the marine walk is a superb place and a magnet for couples. The bubble of romance fills the air, especially since that the walk is on the glassy waterfront. Many couples congregate to this place to escape from the hustle and bustle of Tokyo. The fifth thing you can do in Yokohama is shop at the World Porters Mall. This 6th-floor mall is jam-packed with 200 different varieties of shops. You can find everything related to fashion, to a great number of various topics of books. You can even find a wide range of electronics in this mall, as well as a great number of stuffed animals, lots of jewelry, and a variety of shoes. There is even a Hawaiian theme area on the first floor of the mall. You will see all kinds of surfboards and you will think that you are in Hawaii. It is such a remarkable area, and one of the most famous food restaurants in this area is the Loco Moco. This is the Hawaiian food restaurant, and it is very, very delicious. The sixth thing that you can do in Yokohama is capture the stunning views at the landmark tower. This remarkable tower measures 296 meters high, or 971 feet. The impressive landmark tower beautifully symbolizes the city of Yokohama. Landmark Plaza offers a plethora of amazing stores and restaurants. This area is definitely worth exploring. The entrance fee of the observation deck is 1,000 yen or $9.31 for adults, 800 yen or $7.45 for high school students, 500 yen or $4.65 for elementary and junior high school students, and 200 yen or $1.86 for infants over 4 years of age. This 360 panoramic view of this glamorous port city of Yokohama is absolutely stunning, breathtaking, and remarkable. On a clear day, you can catch a nice glimpse of the towering and mystical Mount Fuji, Tokyo Tower, Tokyo Skytree, and Uzu Peninsula. This is a perfect sightseeing opportunity for your friends and family. While on this floor, you can enjoy a coffee at the Sky Cafe, which is open from 10 a.m. to 2100. And the seventh thing that you can do in Yokohama is go to Chinatown. When you're strolling through Chinatown, you feel like you're in China. You find yourself all of a sudden saying ni hao instead of konnichiwa. Everything is very unique there. You can find all kinds of sumptuous and mouth-watering nikimons or steamed buns that are bursting with different flavors, everything from pork to seafood. You can even find shark nikimon buns here. At this particular place, you can also find a variety of other things, including souvenirs and beautiful temples. Chinatown is an amazing place to go in Yokohama, where you can experience the Chinese culture and eat the very delicious food. Well, Yokohama is such an amazing place to go, and I have written an article on Yokohama, basically 7 things to do in a 3-day trip. And so check out my website at incredibletraveler.com. I have that article. I've got, you can actually book on my website. This is the place where I highly recommend that you go. And if you're looking for plane tickets, hop on my website. There's a search box, and you can search whatever, and then it'll bring you to those flights. A lot of them are very cheap. And so this is an incredible opportunity for you to take when you come to Japan. Well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, go and hit that subscribe button for more food videos, drink videos, ice cream videos, and even travel videos here on The Focus Travel. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.